Are you seeing this on your ChatGPT and you don't really know what to do? Hi, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Felicia. In this video, I'll be sharing you a step-by-step guide on how to fix network configuration issue. So the first step you have to take is to go to your phone settings. So right here on my phone settings, I just have to click on my app list. So from my app list, I just search for ChatGPT. So right here, all you have to do is to click on your storage and cache, clear your cache and also clear your storage. But reminded, when you clear your storage, you have to relog into your ChatGPT. It will help to reduce and clear the glitches on your ChatGPT. Having done that, the next thing you can do is to restart your phone and then log in. So guys, I believe with this step-by-step guide you'll be able to gain yours. As you can see, let's go back so you see my ChatGPT. As you can see, I was able to regain my. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow GladyTechFix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.